Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. I'm sure senizwile ke indaba namhlanje regarding i-agent yabani na i-agent yabandile I spoke about uBandile Shandu bafethu ngoJanuary ngasho ukuthi kumjide ke kungenzeka ayishiye iOrlando Pirates ngoJune. Nazi ke indaba seyiphuma bafethu iyasho iagent yakhe ukuthi ke iOrlando Pirates ayikakaphumeli obala regarding icontract yakhe umjide ke ukuthi ke irenew. He is one of those players ongenzeka bayishiye iOrlando Pirates uma iphela nje isizini. So lana ngiphethe uhlu lwabadlali ongenzeka iOrlando Pirates ibadedele uma kuphela isizini. I'm not saying ibezobadedela but ke ngokuzwa kweindaba zami Orlando Pirates kungenzeka ishanele abadlali abaningi same as last season. Last season Orlando Pirates yadedela most yabadlali abaningi kakhulu. So nakule season sisazobona nje the same thing again because remember Orlando Pirates yasayina abadlali abaningi kuleli window esisuka kulona. Njengoba yasayina nje abadlali abaningi kule season esisuka kuyona kule season le nje uyizophela baningi futhi nakhona ke abazodedelwa kulandwe abanye abasha. So sengikhulumekele ngaye bafethu uBandile Shandu kade wafika kuOrlando Pirates umjida useyisevile ibeach leOrlando Pirates kade wafika umjida simsayina straight from Maritzburg United. He has been a winger, he has been a defender for Orlando Pirates but ke icareer yakhe kuOrlando Pirates ibihlushwa kakhulu ama injury umjida ke ubeloke limala left and right. Yabo ngokwami umjida ubezoba umdlalo right for Orlando Pirates ukubeke ama injury abengekho. Another player bafethu ongenzeka ayishiye Orlando Pirates ngokuzwa kwami ideal ayakafika etafuleni. Njengoba nje ingakafika etafuleni iagent yakhe umjida ke iyafuna ukuthi ke aqhubeke with Orlando Pirates same as yena umdlali. Utsehofa somabasa bafethu uyafuna ukuthi ke aqhubeke as Orlando Pirates but ke Orlando Pirates ayikakakhulumi neagent enayakakhulumi ke nomdlali. As of today njengoba kumhla ka1 May from today until uJune umjida ke usengakhuluma noma yipi team ekhona efuna ukumsayina. Usengasayina nje any pre-contract with any club ekhona la ku Betway Premiership noma ke outside South Africa or anywhere in the world because umjida ke right now usengakhuluma nje you can say he's a free agent but ke akakabi free agent because Orlando Pirates ayikakakhuluma. He's not a free agent officially. Yabo that is what I can say. But ke Tsehofa Mabasa is another player who is likely to leave Orlando Pirates at the end of the season. Another player bafethu okubani na Raseboja. Raseboja ke bafethu kungenzeka umjida ke ashiye Orlando Pirates but not on a permanent move but ke kwinina kwi-loan umjida has spoke out washo ukuthi ke umjida ufuna i-game time. Njengoba nje ifuna i-game time. Remember umjida wafika kuOrlando Pirates but ke he suffered a long injury last season. If ukhumbula kahle ke umjida edlala kahle for Orlando Pirates but ke wathola ukulimala kwakhe bafethu kumphazamise kakhulu kwi-career yakhe kuOrlando Pirates because akayitholanga i-game time eningi kakhulu and nakuloko la kwi-season le season esikuyona akayitholanga i-game time eningi kakhulu. I don't think usekubadlala kule season so far if I'm not mistaken. Yabo I don't think umjida sekubalithola ithuba lokuthi ke a represent iOrlando Pirates kwi-league noma kuma-cup competitions akhona ngenxa yayo i-injury. Yabo so he's another player who is likely to leave Orlando Pirates but ke on a loan just to get a game time umjida ke a regain i-confidence yakhe maybe iOrlando Pirates imrecall to the main squad. Yabo another player bafethu kuKarim Kimvidi bafethu i-future yakhe iOrlando Pirates ayikho clear. Yabo ayikho clear i-future yakhe because currently umjida he's on loan. Njoba nje eloniwe nje ngiyezwa kuthiwa ke umjida udlala kahle la edlala khona. Yabo but ke there are no signs of the current coach who is coaching Orlando Pirates ukuthi ke recall umjida to the main squad njengoba nje kuzoqala i-season entsha because umjida he was loaned on a season long loan. Imagine being loaned on a season long loan. That shows ukuthi ke there are no plans at place put for ubani na umjida. So he is likely to leave Orlando Pirates. And another player on the same boat as Karim Kimvidi kubani na Gilberto right now he's on loan. Njoba nje ekwi-loan kwi-parent club yakhe. He has been on loan occasions awu-2. Yabo walonwa for 6 months ngosikhathi ke simsayinile ngesikhathi saJose Rivero wase walonwa ke kule season le amlona on a season long loan. Umjida ke bafethu aka-impressanga. Yabo i-management ayibanga impressed when he was signed. We signed him isaqala leya season esiphuma kuyona. Ke umjida samlona ngoJanuary wabuyela kwi-parent club yakhe. Yabo nakule season isaqalile umjida akakazi abuyele kuOrlando Pirates. It looks like umjida uzoba permanent kule club le ayidlalelayo. Gilberto bafethu kubhlungu kakhulu because umjida wahlala 6 months kuOrlando Pirates. Yabo akahlala ngesikhathi eside and akabanga nayo impact etheni kuOrlando Pirates. Yabo so yena ukuhamba kwakhe yes kuzoba bhlungu mfundisi oqama because akalitholanga ithuba lokuthi ke ayibonakalise. There are many ke players esibabonile kwenze kanjalo, sibabonile nabo bani na usinoxolo kwayiba same boat, but ke usinoxolo kwayiba kwakhe kube worse because he was sold after 6 months spending with Orlando Pirates. Another player okuzoba buhlungu ukumbona ehamba eshiya Orlando Pirates because it looks like Orlando Pirates ayikakaphumi elubala regarding ukumsayina umjida with a new contract because iyadingakala i new contract esikhathini samanje. Yabona lesikhathi esikusona right now isizini isiyophela, njoba nje isizini isiyophela, there are many teams are looking to sign these type of players. Yabo, teams like Osukune United may pounce for a player like Kabelo Dlamini. Teams like Staleys may pounce for a player like Kabelo Dlamini. I don't want to talk about other teams because some fans may think he will go to their team. But again, Kabelo Dlamini, he's a star player. He can play for any team ekhona kubethu Premiership. Even iMamelodi Sundowns ingajabulela ukuba khona kwabenina kwaKabelo Dlamini because he is a phenomenal player. Umchita, he has played for Orlando Pirates for the longest time. Inkinga ke same as ubanina, same as uShandu. Umchita, he has been struggling ngenxa ama-injury bafethu ambulalele kakhulu uKabelo Dlamini. Yabo, ngokwami nje umjida akakaze alithole ithuba lokuthi ke I-establish as the first choice player. Yabo, each and every season ekhona uKabelo Dlamini akakaze abulo umdlali loyo ozosho ukuthi kule game le ngizomqalisa uKabelo Dlamini ngimqalise noba. Yabo, uhlezi ezobulo umdlali oqhamuka ebenchini usezoshintsha igame. Yabo, so izinto ezikanjalo uKabelo Dlamini azimenzanga abulo umdlali kuLorlando Pirates, but for me umjida ke uyalazi ibhola. He's one of those players engeke ngithanda ukumbona ehamba, bengajabula ukumbona mhlambe ehlala 1 season or 2 same as uTsagofaso Mabasa. But again, we don't take the decisions. The coaches and the board are the ones who take these kinds of decisions. Yabo, so yena ke ngenzeka simbone na ke eshiya kuOrlando Pirates. Another player bafethu okuba nina Goodman Mosela bafethu, he has been struggling with the same issue yama injury. Yabo, same issue yama injury, and naye he has been loaned out a lot by Orlando Pirates. Yabo, just simlone back. This time it looks like Orlando Pirates is saying athatha a decision ukuthi ke imdedele on a permanent. Currently he is playing with Chippa United, and nakhona with Chippa United he is not playing his best football. Yabo, Chippa United currently bale ezansi, they are fighting yabo the relegation battle. Bafuna ukusuka kule ndawo esezansi. Manje befuna ukusuka kule ndawo esezansi. A player like uGoodman Mosela should be helping the team fight the relegation battle ingaye ezansi team. Yabo, Orlando Pirates looking at that situation, I don't think Orlando Pirates izolanda uGoodman Mosela to the main roster because the player is not fit enough. You can even look at this picture, guys. I don't think umjida uyayinakekela. Mina ngowami uGoodman Mosela, yabo, ever since some signer akakazang impress. Yabo, akakazang impressa. I don't know what is going on with uGoodman Mosela. There are many players esibalone out. Abanye baba badlali kahle, abanye babadlala kahle, but ke yena is that player engakaze ngimbone nje kahle ukuthi ke umjida osima kanjani. Yabo, bakhona uMashiliwane, bakhona bafethu oNdlozi baloniwe badlala, bakhona oYanga Madiba badlala, but ke Goodman Mosela, he's never struck me as that player yabo ongafitha kwi lineup yeOrlando Pirates, ongakwazi ke a challenge abadlali abakhona kwi main team yeOrlando Pirates. I don't know, maybe angakaze ngimbonga lelihlo lelinye, but ke ever since nje yabo. But ke these are the players who are likely to leave Orlando Pirates at the end of the season. Yabo, wena ka wangitshela which player would you like to keep at the main team Orlando Pirates bangayishi Orlando Pirates, because mekuphela nje isizini there are many fan favorite players abazoyishi Orlando Pirates and abantu abaningi bazokhala, but ke mele bakhale baze bayithulise because aswathatha ama decisions. There are many players who have left Orlando Pirates and we accepted that. Yabo, last season nje players like abo Olisanda, this season players like abo Olisanda, Bekezele Mbokazi, Mhaunkota, yabo, Monapule Saling. There are many players who have left Orlando Pirates. Yabo, so nakuleli window seyakulona, there are many players who are going to leave Orlando Pirates. Yabo, because the institution have to keep on moving. Yabo.